Welcome to Consumer Times. In this episode, we will explore the health benefits of nuts and their role in boosting immunity. We'll also discuss which nuts are the most beneficial, when to consume them, and the right quantities to ensure you get the maximum benefits without overdoing it. Nuts are good for health and immunity as nuts are nutrient-dense foods packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They play a crucial role in improving heart health, brain function, digestion, and, most importantly, strengthening immunity. Regular consumption of nuts provides essential nutrients that can help the body fight infections, reduce inflammation, and maintain overall well-being. Here are some key components in nuts that contribute to health and immunity as nuts contain unsaturated fats, like omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, that reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and promote cardiovascular health. Plant-based proteins in nuts support muscle repair and enhance metabolism. Fiber aids digestion, promotes gut health, and keeps blood sugar levels stable. Nuts are rich in immune-boosting nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, zinc, and selenium. Nuts like walnuts, almonds, and pecans contain antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, keeping the immune system strong. Nuts to include in your diet and their health benefits. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant and strengthens immunity. They also contain magnesium, which helps regulate blood pressure and reduce stress levels. Eating almonds daily can improve brain function, maintain healthy skin, and promote heart health. Soak almonds overnight and consume 5 to 7 pieces in the morning. You can also eat them raw or roasted as a snack. Eat around 6 to 8 almonds per day. Walnuts are known for their high omega-3 fatty acid content, which reduces inflammation and boosts brain health. They are rich in antioxidants that strengthen the immune system. Walnuts also help maintain healthy cholesterol levels and improve mood by regulating serotonin. Soak 2 to 3 walnuts overnight or add them to salads, smoothies, or desserts. Eat around 2 to 4 walnuts per day. Cashews are packed with zinc, which plays a vital role in boosting immunity by helping the body fight infections. They also contain healthy fats and magnesium, which promote energy production and reduce fatigue. Cashews are great for brain function and maintaining healthy bones. Consume raw or roasted cashews as a snack or add them to stir-fried dishes and desserts. Eat around 5 to 6 cashews per day. Pistachios are loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and protein. They promote healthy digestion and maintain stable blood sugar levels. Pistachios also contain vitamin B6, which supports nerve function and hormone production, both essential for immune health. Enjoy pistachios as a snack, or sprinkle them over yogurt, salads, or desserts. Eat around 30 to 40 pistachios per day. Unshelled, Brazil nuts are an excellent source of selenium, a powerful mineral that strengthens immunity and protects cells from damage. Selenium also plays a role in maintaining thyroid health. However, Brazil nuts are high in calories, so moderation is essential. Consume Brazil nuts occasionally, not more than 1 to 2 per day, as too much selenium can be harmful. Eat around 1 to 2 nuts per day. Hazelnuts are rich in vitamin E, healthy fats, and antioxidants. They support brain function, improve skin health, and reduce inflammation. Regular consumption of hazelnuts can enhance cardiovascular health and boost immunity. Eat hazelnuts raw, roasted, or as part of spreads like hazelnut butter. Eat around 5 to 7 hazelnuts per day. Pecans contain antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber, which help reduce inflammation and support heart health. They also regulate digestion and keep blood sugar levels in check, which is essential for overall immunity. Add pecans to oatmeal, salads, or baked goods. Eat around 3 to 4 pecans per day. Though technically legumes, peanuts offer similar health benefits as tree nuts. They are high in protein, folate, and antioxidants, which contribute to heart health and muscle repair. Peanuts also boost energy and support immune function. Consume roasted peanuts or peanut butter. Choose unsweetened and low-salt varieties. Eat a handful, 30 grams, of peanuts per day. When to eat nuts for maximum benefits? The best time to consume nuts is eating nuts first thing in the morning or with breakfast provides sustained energy throughout the day. Nuts can serve as a great pre-workout snack, offering energy and stamina. A handful of nuts in the evening helps curb unhealthy cravings and keeps blood sugar levels stable. Some nuts, like almonds and walnuts, promote better sleep due to their magnesium and melatonin content. As right quantity matters, while nuts are highly nutritious, they are also calorie dense. Eating them in moderation is essential to avoid weight gain and digestive discomfort. Here are some general guidelines. Almonds, 6 to 8 per day, walnuts, 2 to 4 per day, cashews, 5 to 6 per day, pistachios, 30-40, unshelled, per day, Brazil nuts, 1 to 2 per day, hazelnuts, 5 to 7 per day, pecans, 3 to 4 per day, peanuts, a handful or 30 grams per day. Some precautions while eating nuts are: some people are allergic to certain nuts. Common nut allergies include peanuts, almonds, and cashews. If you experience itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing after consuming nuts, seek medical help immediately. Whereas overeating nuts can lead to weight gain due to their high calorie content, store nuts in airtight containers in a cool place to prevent them from going rancid. Avoid excessive consumption of salted or flavored nuts, as they contain added sodium and sugars. Nuts are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering multiple health benefits that extend beyond just boosting immunity. Including a variety of nuts in your daily diet can support brain function, heart health, digestion, and energy levels. However, it's crucial to consume them in moderation and at the right time to avoid overconsumption and maximize their benefits. So, the next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a handful of nuts. They are nature's way of keeping you healthy and immune to infections. Stay tuned to Consumer Times for more such health tips and insights. Thank you for watching. If you found this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Consumer Times. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates on our latest videos. Stay healthy and stay informed.